Regardless of your age or health, we all know that blood pressure is one of the biggest health concerns today. You can now easily and accurately monitor your blood pressure with this FDA-approved automatic blood pressure monitor from LAZLE. Our unit offers the largest screen on the market and is backlit so you can easily read it in low light situations. Other features include a blood pressure level indicator, irregular heartbeat alert, and an arrhythmia check. Here's how it works. When you open the box, insert the included batteries. The unit also has a USB port for power. Plug the cuff into the display unit. Tighten to where it is snug but not too tight. Adjust the cuff to the correct position. Now, activate the monitor with the simple one-touch operation. It's that easy. The unit is also programmed with an auto shutoff to save batteries. This monitor is able to track and record readings from 2 different users so your doctor can see your history and offer more accurate diagnosis and treatment if necessary. Paying attention to your blood pressure is so important. So, if you want to accurately monitor your blood pressure, the LAZLE Automatic Blood Pressure Monitor is what you have been looking for.
How to measure blood pressure and get accurate results. Everyone's blood pressure changes quite often. There are many factors that influence it, and we do not recommend measuring blood pressure in the following cases: right after a bath, right after physical exercise, sooner than 30 minutes after a meal or a coffee, after drinking alcohol or smoking. Wrist blood pressure monitor by PARAMED is simple to use, anywhere and at any time. Before you start the measurement, sit comfortably at a table. The feet should rest on the floor, your back straight. Relax and breathe calmly. Put the band over your left arm, half an inch below your wrist. Fix it firmly with the Velcro. Place your elbow on the table so that the device is on the same level with your heart. Open your palm and turn on the tonometer. During the measurement, try not to move. Relax, breathe deeply, hold your arms steady, and avoid speaking. You will learn the measurement results within 30 seconds. It is important not to measure the blood pressure several times in a row without removing the band. The intervals between measurements should be at least 5 minutes. On the screen, you can see the upper and the lower blood pressure, as well as the heartbeat frequency per minute. Pay attention to errors that can happen during the measurement with the PARAMED wrist blood pressure monitor and avoid making them. To get accurate results, you should not put on your device like a watch. Tilt your palm backwards or forwards. Put the band too low or high. Put the band on loosely. Put your arm on the table during the measurement. Measure your blood pressure when lying down. Move your hand while measuring blood pressure. The PARAMED wrist blood pressure monitor was designed to help you look after your health in a simple and comfortable way. We hope you like it. Stay healthy.
this product in the video description below.